guys, the firewall for this car is right there. I'm gonna try to poke it and see if I could pass some wires through here and connect it to the battery. And this is to install the Midland radio. So to find the hole for the firewall, I'm gonna put tape around here and I'm gonna poke it in to see if it goes in. Hey guys, so here's a I'm gonna pass it through the firewall. Here's a big cable, and now this is for the Blue Eddy. So I'm doing two installations at the same time. So, but we're gonna put the Midland first, but I just want to run these wires first and make sure everything runs okay. So I'm gonna poke it in. It's already poked in. I'm just gonna pass it through here. See that cable nearby? Where all those cables are, right there. That's where I'm gonna go through. Stay tuned. So you see that I got the cables through the firewall. I got the cable for the Midland right here. And then it's just another video. This is a cable for the Blue Eddy DC to DC charger. But I got this one first. Might as well that I was here, I was gonna run the cable for the Blue Eddy. So that's another different story. But besides that, I'm gonna put everything back. Here's a connection for the Midland radio. See that? So it was easy. So I didn't punch a hole, so I went to the side. I don't know if you can see it, but I went to the side. I just didn't want to touch none of these cables. And then I'm gonna put a fuse in the front, and I know that this one comes with the fuse already, so it's pretty good. So let's do this installation on the panels now. Run the cable through here. I installed the Midland, and this is an awesome device. I believe this is the 500 Midland 525. It works awesome. I put it right underneath the dash. As you can see, it's got an extra USB here you could connect. It's got a whole bunch of stuff on this panel that you could do, and connected it straight to the battery, and then wired the stuff on the bottom, went through the firewall. I put the knob here, so I think it works perfectly. I mean, I could have put it down here, but I think this works nice here. And this is the Midland, well, this model right here, this handle is a MA75 Midland. As you can see, it's MXT. And then I put the handle here. I didn't screw these because I didn't need it. I just I taped it on. It's got an M3 thing, so I didn't screw none of these. So then this just goes up like this, and when you make a turn, it just it handles the turn perfectly because it swings around like this a little bit, not a lot. And then the cable's not that long, so it's got a whole bunch of settings. It's got the this is the volume, this is where you scan, and here's the channels in the top. This is your power right here in the middle, right there. And then it's got, this is where you talk. So and you know, you got extra settings in here. You could put a microphone, and what does this say? SP. Not sure where it's at. You make a call here, lock it, lock your channels. Now for these radios, you gotta have like a license, GRMS radios. You gotta have a license. So I do have a license, and you just pay a certain fee, and then you get a license for your radios for your family. And what you do is you can make calls. They give you a code name, like a number, and then you just hang it here. It's connected straight to the battery, so then you power it here. Just press it. So there it is. So then this is where you put the volume down. It's kind of loud, but then you can fix the settings on that. If you want to take it out, you just press this out and you take the whole out. You can see somebody's on the line, so you can scan it right here. You scan it right there, and then you keep scanning it here. You keep scanning it here, and it picks up any GRSM radio out there. And this is how it works. You just scan it, and then you want to hold the channel. I think you hold it here. I think right here. You can also move the channels here. You can lock it right here. I think you can lock it right here. Or I think it right there. You can lock it right there. It's got a menu, WX. Haven't explored everything on it, but it's got all the settings. And then if you want to move the channels, it's got like 22 channels. And if you want to make a call, you just press this and you make a call here. And then when you turn it off, make sure you powered it off here, and then the whole radio turns off. But then if you want to go ahead and continue scanning and see what's out there, and I put the antenna up there, the one that comes with it. It's a small antenna, so I'm planning to put a big antenna, so one of those Midland antennas, that one has a better reception. And if you want to go ahead and scan it again here, and it's picking up. It looks like it's picking up channel 4. I could hear somebody talking in there, but that's just the way you scan it. You want to stop it there. You keep going. You want to put the volume down. That's the way you do it. It's got some awesome features, so this will be great to go out camping. It also has a NOAA. It's got the weather station. You can listen to that. And I heard these get a long range, so I'm gonna have a second video where you guys we're gonna test it and see how long does it get reception out there. So stay tuned for the second part, and I'm gonna test this one out. But so far it came out good. I installed it in a Toyota Tundra, and it's perfect, and it works awesome. So as you can see, install it right underneath, and it's perfect because it doesn't instruct with with any gas or pedals or nothing. I could actually have space on the bottom here. So stay tuned for the channel, and don't forget to for the second part, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.